Hello, my cheerful buddies. Today I'm drawing Bluey and her lovely friends. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a story full of laughter and play. Before we start, tap the like button kindly, so Bluey's smile can shine even wider. Bluey runs to the park. Her tail wiggles with excitement. Bingo follows behind her, carrying a bright red ball. Look, our friends are already here, says Bluey happily. If you love playing with friends too, press like to join the fun. Coco waves her paw, Mackenzie jumps high. Snickers giggles as he rolls on the grass. Let's play a big game, says Bluey, her eyes sparkle bright. Tap like if you can feel the joy of friendship today. The friends gather in a circle. The sun shines warmly. Let's play tag, shouts Bingo, and everyone cheers. Bluey starts counting. 1, 2, 3. Ready or not, give the video a happy like to make their game even faster. Bluey runs and chases. Coco hides behind a tree. Mackenzie sprints across the field. Snickers rolls with laughter. Got you, Coco, says Bluey proudly. Coco giggles loud. If you love running too, press like for more silly fun. They stop to rest. The breeze feels cool and soft. Dad brings water bottles, smiling kindly at the group. Having fun, pups? He asks, wiping his forehead. Tap like if you think Dad is the best park helper ever. After resting, they play again, this time with the red ball. Bluey throws it high. Mackenzie jumps to catch. Bingo claps her paws. Nice catch, Mackenzie, she says. Give the video a like to keep the ball flying high. The friends laugh together, their hearts full of joy. Let's make a friendship dance, says Coco, spinning around. Bluey joins her. The others twirl and clap. Press like if you want to dance with Bluey's friends too. As the sun begins to set, the sky turns golden. Everyone hugs before going home, promising to meet again. Bluey smiles at Bingo. That was the best day ever. Before we end, tap the like button for a friendship that never ends. The stars start to twinkle, the world feels calm. Bluey yawns softly. Bingo leans beside her. Good night, little friends. Don't forget to like and dream with Bluey's gang tonight.